What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Python script review, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Pig Latin program that I wrote in 10th grade, I think. Well, as you see, you can already tell the program is kind of hideous. Yeah, I think I had like a couple issues with syntax back then because this was when I was relatively new to Python. So, today we're going to be looking at the improved version as well. First off, so what a pig Latin is, it's basically, I'll show you here. So there's a word, right? And the first vowel you find, you cut the word up in half. Not in half, but like you cut up the word in two from that point, and then you put the first part behind the second part, and then you add AY. So basically, if I type Python, the pig Latin for it would be cutting up at O. So it would be O and Pyth on Pythe. Yeah, that would be the pig Latin version, and this is the normal version. So there's that. That made a weird sound. I don't think you guys can hear my desktop sound, but I just pressed a lot of backspace and then it made a really weird sound. Anyways, let's get on with it. The original program I wrote, we get the input, of course, no comments. Very noob of me, no comments. And then word, and then we make a list of vowels, and just, of course, classic me will just put a letter as a variable name, kind of bad. If word, and I don't know why, but I think I was trying to use for loop and then I gave up on the for loop for some reason because I was running out of time and I was like, oh my god, how do I finish this? And yeah, that's like the best one I came up with. Really bad. And one major flaw with it is that I can't do anything more than 8 letters in a word. So that is very, very not good. Although I'm pretty sure there's very few words that go without a vowel in 8 letters in a row. Actually 9 because it starts at 0. Um, and then if we find a vowel in the word, we do the thing by cutting off the word in two and then pasting the first half into the back end of the half, second part, and then add AY. So it repeats basically. Nothing's different between lines and lines. It's just for just different numbers of the what's called the index of the word. I should say. Um, so let's look at the fixed version now. So I'm gonna move this up. So new and improved version. Okay, so first off, yeah, we fixed the variable names to vowels, proper. And then we're going to use the for loop to iterate through it without writing this many lines when I can just write in, 5 lines? And this is, 20 lines? So, much more efficient. For letter, better variable name. So, for letter in word dot lower, we use dot lower so we can include all capital letters or phrases that use only capital letters for some reason. So if letter is in vowels, meaning if the letter is a vowel, then we're gonna use that point to convert the word into a pig Latin. So of course here we use the index of the vowel, and then we use the length of the word because we're gonna need to go till the end. And then honestly, I'm pretty sure I can use -1, but whatever. Anyways, there's a lot of parentheses going on, as you can see, and very obviously you don't need it. because int already, actually no. What I meant to say is len, the length of the word or string, already returns the integer of the length, which is the length. And integer is not needed, and this extra parentheses is definitely not needed. I think I was having some problem regarding numbers and stuff, and that's probably why I decided to put int on there to make things, simple but at the same time longer. Yeah, just for my sanity, I guess. And here you just use word.find letter because we're not using like just number indices, whatever you want to say. Um, so you do that to get the integer and another integer word here, simplify, and then plus the first what should I say, first part of the letter, first part of the word. So paste that here by starting from the first index, which is 0, to uh, up to the vowel that we found, and then add a, and then print the word in Pig Latin is, and put the new word. Of course, better variable name, which is better to understand. Easier to understand. That's what I meant. Yeah. This is probably a simple this is very simple, obviously. Um, but when I wrote this, I probably thought otherwise. So, yeah, there's that. So, I think I went over everything I need to. Yep. So, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one.